Do you suffer from separation anxiety? Do you love the incredible taste of all-natural Mayver spreads with no added additives or hardened fats, but struggle to mix in the healthy, good oils for the ultimate taste every time? Say goodbye to the days of mixing with cutlery, household implements, or whatever else you can find. Now you can get that perfect consistency every time. It's the Mayver's Supernatural Spreads Mixer with self-cleaning mixing rod. No mess, no spills, no mistakes. The Mayver's Supernatural Spreads Mixer is designed for all your favourites, like super spreads, tahini, dark roasted, and of course, Australia's favourite natural peanut butter. Just swap the lid and turn the handle. It's like magic! Now it's super easy to mix up that delicious Mayver's flavour. But don't just take my word for it.
If you love peanut butter, you'll love this stirrer. I can't live without it. I love my Mayver stir, not shaken.
Today, the Mayver's Spreads Mixer can be yours. So what are you waiting for? Order online today.